If you want to create a virtual tour that you can share and collaborate with other people on, the best place to begin your journey is with Google MyMaps. With MyMaps, users are able to plot points, draw shapes, create layers, measure distance, and collaborate with other Maps users. Start by having students create a map of destinations that relate to places they'd like to visit later in life. Then you can have them share this map with you. Let's take a look at how we create one of these and it's an example. Here's an example that a class did together. In groups, students had different environmental disasters that they were plotting on this map. You'll see that we have a lot of different icons that relate to the environmental disasters that they were writing about. If I click on any of these, I get more detail. I have their written description, and I have pictures and videos that explain what's going on in that location. You can see the different disasters that they found. You can zoom in to get a better idea of where the location is. And again, on any icon, you just click on it to see the description, pictures, and videos for each. Let's take a look at how we create these. For this, you go to google.com/maps, or again, you can just do a quick Google search to create a map. Let's click Create a New Map. This works similarly to the other Maps apps that we've looked at in this section. Let's take a look. So we start with a layer, and with each layer, we can then create different icons. And we can choose to show different layers at different times. So I can click Add a Layer, and then in each layer, I can add locations. I want to make sure that I give my layers a name, so this may be. Now with each of these, I can click the Add Marker icon to plot the point that I would like. Once I've clicked Add Marker, I click where I want the point to be. So here I put the name, and I can type my description, and I can add a picture. Then I click Save. Once you click Save, you have the option to change the color of the icon. You can edit what you've written and the pictures that you've added. You can add more pictures or images. You can get directions to this location, or you can delete. You'll also see when you click the paint bucket, you have the option to change the icon. If you click more icons, you are going to find a ton, or you can make a custom icon if you want to upload something on your own. So I can click Crises, and I can click any of these icons, and again, I can change the color if I would like to make my map make a little bit more sense. So for each of these, you choose where you want. This point that I put in went under the landmarks. If I want that to be a disaster, I can move it up there. You'll see that when I unclick disasters, that goes away. So I can choose to just see the disasters or just see the landmarks at one time. You can then also share this with somebody else. So with the same sharing settings as any other Google Doc, you can share this with other people and give them editing access so that they can work on the same map with you. You can measure the distance if you would like, just by clicking and dragging to see the distance between locations. You can draw a line on your map if you would like, so you can add a walking route by clicking and dragging. You can add driving routes, etc. Lots of fun things that you can do with Google My Maps, and my favorite part of it is that it's collaborative. This one, we had an entire class working on it at the same time.